Yeah, good morning, everyone. So, US has imposed 25% duty on all the auto import, including auto crucial parts like engine, powertrain, etc. Uh, this is having a negative impact on all the auto stocks world over and also on the auto stock of US market in the futures. Uh, so this is likely to have some negative impact on Indian auto sector as well, including Tata Motor, which sells Jaguar manufactured outside US and to US. Apart from that, they had imposed 25% duty, but still the expectation is that this is more of a negotiation tactic and will be reversed over a period as this is not even bad for the international trade, but also it will be very inflationary to the US consumer as well. Apart from that, US market has seen some decline yesterday, and futures are more of a flattish, whereas the other Asian market today morning are indicating majorly decline except Hong Kong or China. Apart from that, commodities are showing some positive trend. Oil is up by around $0.5. Iron ore today morning in China is up by around $1.5, 1.5%. Aluminum was flat, steel was flat, copper is up by around 0.5%. So overall indications are that some uncertainty will have some impact on the Asian market and in India as well. Whereas today expiry is also there and the last trading day of the year end wherein people may be looking to book some losses to reduce the tax liability. So that can also have some impact on smaller stocks. So need to be careful in today's trade. We may see a lot of volatility in today's trade. Now I'll request technical team to take up from here.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Good morning, all of you. See, yesterday we saw that Nifty facing immediate resistance around 23, 700 and 800 and up range. And we see some profit booking in upper level because last 2 to 3 weeks we saw the some good bounce back rally and almost a 5 to 7% up rally. So we expect some profit booking in higher level. First, majorly immediate support place around 23 470 and 23 400 at downside. If Nifty managed to sustain close above that important support zone, then we expect the sideways momentum. If Nifty close below the 40, 23 440 below in weekly and this expiry below this range, then we see some pressure towards 23 300 and 23 200 at downside. Upside 23 600 first immediate resistance and then above 700 is the next important resistance for index. So today we expect flattish note open and remain a range between these 23 440 at downside and upside 23 600 is a major resistance for intraday session. Bank Nifty also taking some resistance in upper range. We already see the some upside around 51 750 and say 52,000 is a major resistance for Bank Nifty. We saw that last two training session is Bank Nifty also showing some proper booking in higher range. So we expect some up proper booking in upper range. And next immediate support place around 51,000. Below that, 50,740 is the next immediate support in Bank Nifty. Upside 51,540 and 51,770 is the next important register for Bank Nifty. So both index trading in upward zone, and we see some profit booking and some pressure in this range. In stock specific, Ambuja Cement looks positive. We are positive in Ambuja. Last few trading sessions, we see some pressure, and then again, we on a good bounce back rally last 4 to 3 days trading session. This will be continue. Marico also looks positive at current level. Negative side, BPCL looks some pressure in upper range, some proper booking in this range. BSC also showing a weakness. Yesterday, we saw that some pressure in BSC stock, so we expect this pressure to be continuing today's session also. That's it for technical derivative I can get.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we witnessed that from last 2 days of trading session, there has been some liquidation in the market from the upside levels. Currently, as per the current trading scenario and as per the OI structure, 23,500 to 23,800 strike, we are seeing that the call rate positions have got added up aggressively. Currently, Nifty will be trading in the range of 23,200 to 23,800 levels in coming days of trading session. In next 1 to 2 day of trading session, we might expect more kind of some selling from the upside levels towards the 23,300 200 level. Nifty is likely to remain range bound in this kind of scenario trading session. Currently, we should wait for any new long positions. Once Nifty comes near 23,200 level, at that point of time, we can reinitiate new long positions. But as per the current scenario, as we have seen that India Wix again came about 13 levels, so India Wix again goes below 13 level, then we will again see some stability. Till that point of time, we might witness some sort of profit booking or selling from the upside levels. As per the stock specific and sector specific counter that looks positive today's session will be NCC, Ambuja Cement, and Dalmia Bharat looks positive. On the negative front, BHAL, LTTS, and JK Cement looks negative. That's it from the front. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, everyone. Yesterday, we attended a virtual meet with the management of Credo Brands Marketing Limited. The company mainly caters to casual menswear and has a presence in the market with its flagship brand Mufti. Overall, fashion garment industry has witnessed weak performance since last 1.5 to 2 years, and the same had an impact on the company's financials. The management will continue to maintain its margins in the range of around 25 to 30% with a moderate sales growth. The management guided for doubling its revenue over the next 4 to 5 years. However, FY26 revenue growth is guided with the growth at high single digit to 10%. It will focus on store expansion post the industry revival. The stock is currently trading at 14 times PE to its trailing 12 months EPS, and we believe that it is a value buy at this valuation. We also attended a meet with the management of Bajaj Consumer Care Limited. If we look at the company's previous performance, it has grown at around 4% CAGR over the last 4 to 5 years, which has a key contribution, that is 80% contribution from its almond hair oil product. The management highlighted that it enhanced its distribution network and it aims for expansion beyond the almond hair oil product. Also, it is focusing on to improve its general trade channel. With respect to acquisition, the brand acquisition of Nomarks was not successful, while Banjara acquisition has helped the company to scale up its operations through expansion through distribution network. The company is valued at 18 times to trailing 12 months of EPS, and we are neutral on the stock. Thank you.
Good morning. We also attended the virtual meet with the management of Mars Financial Services. The company has a standalone AUM of 1 lakh crore, and AUM is expected to double in the next 4 years, targeting an annual growth rate of approximately 20 to 25%. Their affordable housing business currently has an AUM of rupees 700 crores, and they are targeting to increase till rupees 1000 crores. They aim to grow this segment at 30 to 35% every year, which would account the 10 to 15% of the total AUM. The company provides 100% cashless disbursements for their loan. For 30 years, the strong segment of the company is a micro enterprise loan segment, which had a muted performance in Q3. But company is positive that they will stabilize this segment by Q4 and improve by FY26. The stock is trading at 1.995 times it price to book value ratio. So the outlook is positive for the stock. Thank you.
Good morning. Ashok Leyland's UK unit, Switch Mobility, could close its manufacturing and assembly operations in the UK due to economic uncertainty and slower than expected transition to EVs in public transport. The company will instead focus on the EV bus market in India, where Switch India has more than 80% market share with prospect of a 50 to 80% volume growth in 25 to 26. So this is a positive news for Ashok Leyland. Thank you.
Yeah, apart from this, Indian Ministry of Defense has uh, a, signed an agreement to give an order of around 69 billion to Bharat Forge and Tata Advanced System for supply of artillery systems. This was expected for quite long and has come now. So this will act as positive for Bharat Forge. Uh, Vedanta has appointed Rajiv Jain as CEO of aluminum business. Rajiv Jain comes from Tata Steel and has an experience of over 30 years. So this will act as positive for Vedanta aluminum performance. Anyhow, demerger process is on and likely to get completed in next 3 to 4 months. And once the demerger happens, then we will have 5 companies from one company, and each company will be valued independently. And we feel that in the demerger, the valuation will get created, and the valuation will improve for each company. And also, company will focus on each business more meticulously and can have a higher growth thereafter. So outlook for Vedanta is positive. That's all from us. And I'll request technical team from commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, gold prices are likely to test 88,100 on upside. Um, One should enter long around 87,800, 87,700, and maintain a stop loss of 87,500. However, from 88,200, 88,300, we believe that again prices could witness a correction. So watch out for the same. In silver, we are expecting prices to resist 1 lakh mark. So selling around 1 lakh is recommended with a stop loss of 1 lakh 800. And on downside again 99,098 500 is the level where one can book profits. In copper, we are expecting prices to correct. So selling around 914 is recommended with a stop loss of 918. On downside, again 908, 905 is the level where one can book profits. Zinc too, we are expecting prices to test 276 on downside. So selling around 278 with a stop loss of 280 is recommended. Crude oil, we are positive and one should buy on dips around 59.70 with a stop loss of 5900. On upside, 6100 is the level where we are expecting prices to test, and profit booking could be witnessed from 6100. Wherein natural gas prices are expected to correct. Prices should remain under pressure as long as it is trading below 335. So selling around 335 with a stop loss of 345, and again on downside 325, 320 is the level where one can book profits. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.